Hello again, it's Rob, the Site Operations and Quality Assurance Director at Kachingle. I've got one more video for you, which is about how app marketplaces manage their bundles. There's a lot of flexibility here. I'm going to just jump right into what is our back end. We are building a interface that is for the app marketplaces to use, but what you're seeing today is our back end. This is the bundle creation screen. Give the bundle a name, you have a description, it's a little HTML in here. You make a directory for the skins where some of the other details are going to be added. The bundle mode is a choice between a fixed set of apps, which would be when there's 10 apps in the bundle, it's $20 a month, and you can turn them on and off and you never run out of room. What we have here in the pull down is roll your own. We're actually referring to that now as a point-based set of apps. And that is what you see demonstrated in the other videos, which is when a bundle has a set number of points and apps require a certain number of points when they are turned on, and you can run out of room in the bundle and need to buy more. We don't see a lot of use for the fixed set. The point-based makes more business sense, but we have built in all kinds of flexibility into this system, so that's one of the available options. The duration is just how often it renews. Most common, of course, will be a monthly subscription. The maximum number of points, if roll your own, that's the point-based bundle, how many points are in the bundle. The subscription price, self-explanatory. In this case, I've got a 100-point bundle that's $100 a month. But that is not set in stone in any way. The price and the points are not related. On-off metering is how long an app has to stay on once turned on before the user is allowed to turn it off. This is where you set the default for the bundle, and then on the level of the app itself within the bundle, it's possible to set that for each app, and we think that's where that's going to be used more often. The hit frequency is how often visits to the app count. For example, you could have each day the app is used count as a hit, or you could have literally each visit count as a hit. Again, tons of flexibility built in for whatever purposes the apps and app marketplaces might need. So I'm going to jump over here to a finished version of this bundle where you can see the dollar amount, the mode, roll your own, again that's the point-based, the duration, all the things that we just set. And in this case, I've already added several apps to this bundle, and I'm going to add another one. And as I add the app, it asks me some of these other questions again. Points required. It's a point-based bundle. Does this takes 100 points? Is this app that I'm adding worth 5 points, 10 points? This is all stuff that someone curating the bundle would be deciding. The distribution mode is another point of flexibility. We can actually have the app receive a fixed cut of that $100, or a fixed percentage of that $100, or an average cut based on the usage of all the apps within the bundle, and there's a little bit more flexibility built in there too. The base cut, if you choose a fixed cut or a percent cut, the base cut, if you choose that this app always gets $10 a month, regardless of usage, the base cut would be 10. Again, hit weight, hit frequency, and on-off metering, as mentioned before. And once those are set, I add the app. We can also edit apps that are already in the bundle. So I can go to this email app here, slide on over and edit the settings. So the bundle is always dynamic. The bundle can always be adjusted. Apps can be added and removed, and percentages and cuts can be edited. So that's a glimpse at the flexibility of Kachingle's bundle creation and management tools. There is a ton of flexibility built in. We can handle just about any circumstance that a marketplace might want to create for a particular bundle or for apps within that bundle. You've probably seen our other videos by this point, but the overview video shows things mainly from a user perspective. There's an app vendor demo, and there's a glimpse at the enterprise edition that we're putting together for businesses using bundles and assigning the usage to their employees. Thanks for your time, and if you have any questions, you can reach us at developers@kachingle.com.